Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to make printable flashcards for studying. Here's how to make printable flashcards on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Pages app, or install it from the App Store if you don't have it. Tap the plus icon, or if you don't create one, tap Start Writing to create a new document. Tap the three dots at the top right, go to Document Options, then tap Document Setup, and tap OK. Set the orientation to landscape for easier flashcards, then hit the X button. Tap the plus icon, then Table, then insert a table with 2 to 4 columns and enough rows for your flashcards. Adjust the cell size to roughly 3 to 5 inches or your preferred flashcard size. Tap a cell and enter the question, term, or concept. Tap the corresponding cell or create a second page for the back, and enter the answer or explanation. Repeat steps 8 to 9 for all your flashcards. Format text using bold, color, or font styles to make it clear. Optionally, tap the plus, then photo to insert images or diagrams into your cards. Tap the three dots, export, PDF to save your flashcards as a printable file. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.